Evening, folks. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Friday, October the 8th. Breaking Bomb Box full size helmets. We randomed up our 56 remaining box numbers. We got number 3. We did random teams. On your left, teams customers been randomized and alphabetized. We gave everybody a chance to trade. We actually did have a one trade go down. Finally, Jets and Washington were swapped. Well, guys, unfortunately, we're going to start the night off with a cash box, guys. I'm sorry. It's only the third cash box we've hit, though, guys. So we didn't hit, we only had hit one up until last night. I'm sorry, though. Well, bam. Gonna be a Broncos cash box, folks. The Denver spot for $300 room credit. Well, SD finally with a hit there, man. It's been a long time since SD's got himself a hit there. Well, guys, I'm sorry we started on a cash box, but we hadn't hit any until really last night, and unfortunately, it looks like we took 2 out of our last 3 breaks were cash boxes there. See if we can get on to some of our big boys tonight, though. Like I said, there's, 4 less cash boxes than there were last series, guys, so we even took some out. Bam! We got 7 for the mini qualifier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Well, I got Tom and Lawman going to be our qualifiers. 37, 38, we got 55 boxes left in the series, folks. Breakers.tv. YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.